हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है मेरे चैनल डेली लाइफ गाइड में। चलिए आज कुछ नया देखते हैं।
Hello, miss.
Yes,
Can you tell me the address, please?
yes. This is the address which you are searching. Go inside the door.
Oh, really? Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Hello. Welcome to Daily Life Guide. May I help you?
Madam, I have an interview.
Go straight in last door.
Go straight forward. May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's on?
Sir, you called me for interview. Can I seat, sir?
Yes, please sit down. Hello, I am Jiyal. Jiyal Islam. The HR of this company. Mr. Rocky, tell me about yourself.
Yourself is pronoun used when the subject and object of the verb are you.
What are your expectations?
Salary, first day of every month.
What challenges you faced in your earlier job?
Staying awake after lunch.
Why do you want to join our company?
Nobody else is taking me. And your company is closer to my home.
What attracts you to our company?
The receptionist.
Why you left your previous job?
I was on leave. Previous company shifted office, and they didn't inform me new address.
Are you willing to travel 20 days in a month?
Yes. But just don't ask me where I had gone.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rocky. You may go now.
So, when I will join the office? What would be my monthly salary?
We will inform you later.
Thanks, sir.
Get out from here. Idiot. Thanks for watching this video. Love you, friends. Please subscribe our channel. Daily Life Guide.
हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आपको जानना है कि ये वीडियो मैंने कैसे बनाया तो मेरा ट्यूटोरियल देखने के लिए मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का वेट कीजिए और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आए। थैंक यू।